Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best cleaning solutions on the market, the Zep ZU505128 Fast 505 Cleaner and Degreaser. If you're looking for a powerful cleaner that tackles grease and grime effortlessly, this is the one to watch. Zep has been a trusted name in professional cleaning for over 80 years, and their Fast 505 cleaner lives up to the reputation. Designed for tough jobs, it promises to eliminate grease and dirt from a variety of surfaces with ease. Let's talk about what makes the Zep Fast 505 stand out. It's formulated to be tough on grease and grime while being safe to use on a wide range of surfaces, from kitchen counters to automotive parts. Unlike many cleaners, it doesn't leave a residue, ensuring a clean, streak-free finish every time. Using the Zep Fast 505 is straightforward. Simply spray it on the surface you want to clean, allow it to penetrate for a few moments, and then wipe away with a clean cloth or sponge. For tougher stains, you can let it sit for a bit longer before wiping. In terms of performance, this cleaner excels. It cuts through grease and grime quickly, reducing the time and effort needed for cleaning. Whether you're tackling kitchen messes or working on your car, the Zep Fast 505 delivers reliable results. It's important to note that while this cleaner is powerful, it should be used in well-ventilated areas. Like with any cleaning product, it's best to wear gloves and avoid contact with eyes and prolonged skin exposure. To sum it up, the Zep ZU505128 Fast 505 Cleaner and Degreaser is a top-notch choice for anyone needing a reliable cleaning solution. Its effectiveness, versatility, and reputation make it a favorite among professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. That wraps up our review of the Zep Fast 505 Cleaner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.